Hello, I am out here with my chicken friends this morning to tell you all about our hands-on backyard chicken course that's coming this coming Friday the 15th at 4 p.m. It's going to be right here at the Living Well Homestead, and we're going to teach you a lot about backyard chickens. Now, people think that this is a really difficult thing. In fact, when I first started, I thought that this was a really difficult thing, that I didn't know how I was going to keep the chickens alive. I didn't know anything about them. What I've since learned is that they are very friendly, easy creatures to keep, and that they are an integral part of any kind of self-sufficient homestead. You can see them back here. Some of the things that we're going to talk about are housing. So here is our chicken coop, our chicken run. I'm going to talk about food, how to make your own. We're going to talk about chicken care, about egg care, about all kinds of things, and also how they can contribute to your homestead through composting and what you do with that. So please join me. Again, it's this Friday the 15th at 4 p.m. We're going to be able to do it live here at the homestead and also online. I hope you're there with me.